and all. So this is Sai Karun. We are going to learn about the topic Introduction to Web, the platform where you are going to develop the applications that are optimized for all the operating systems. It is a platform where you can create applications for every type of device which is around the world. So let us dive into the topic. Before we going to start, I would like to explain you what are the advantage of using the websites in the development of your business. Advantage number 1, global reach. In order to gain popularity and momentum to your business, you need to use this technology so that you can gain the audience at a global level. Number 2, cost effective. In order to create, maintain, and update your website, you will spend very less cost when compared to the other medium. So I would like to say the web designing will be very cost effective for the organizations. Next, flexibility. Recent advancements have made the web designing very simple, very neat, and very fluent in such a way that you can even develop your website with a very low cost for all the types of devices, not only for your laptop, not only for your PC, not only for your mobile. You can develop your website for any kind of applications. But what are the disadvantages of handling a website? First thing, technical complexity. In order to maintain your website, first of all, you need to be aware of basic web. You need to know the basics and fundamentals of the web. Only then you are able to manage your own website with ease. Without knowing that, you can maintain with the help of the service providers, but that won't give complete satisfaction. So, in such a way, and also your website needs the content to be updated very fastly. The reason is the users will prefer your website to know the data. If the data is constantly updated, then they feel that the website is alive. Else, they may come to your website, but they won't be a regular visitor because the information is not regularly updated. So these are some pros and cons. Let us dive into the concept web designing. So in this session, we are going to cover all the basic concepts related to the web designing. First topic is introduction to web. Second topic, types of websites. Third topic, role of letter E. Fourth one, building blocks of web. Fifth one, HTML overview. So now let us start the first topic, introduction to web. So the web is a wonderful technology that enables the people all around the world to share the information and to communicate. So every one of us are using many social media applications. Even you are watching this lesson through an online mode. These all are possible of a technology web. This web is a network of interconnected documents and resources that transform their lives by providing a gateway to access the information. Also, this web has opened up for endless possibilities for education, e-commerce, and many other such works. I think we all can experience the usage of the web mostly during the pandemic situation. Now, the next topic. So, what is web in a very short way? It's a mammoth collection of websites and media which is present all over the world. Imagine if the world is a huge land. In that, World Wide Web is a library that contains of a huge set of websites. Now, this organization helps the people to access the information about any concept. In fact, through this technology, any person can learn the interested subject with ease. Now, let us try to examine the data usage around the world, you will see a surprise here. See, out of 100% data usage around the world, people will use 59.3 percentage for social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Gmail, whatnot, everything. So these social media applications were mostly used by the people in order to gain a good reputation and fame within no time. Now, 20.6% were using it for entertainment purposes like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon, like that. So, next, 12.1% were using the web only just for browsing. They'll just browse the web for very small piece of information, and the rest of it will be used for education. So, with this example, we can clearly know that people need much fame, which can be possible with social media. But as you can observe, the four important causes for usage of data clearly states that the web plays a vital role in providing the essential services to the people through digital means. Now, let us know the important areas in the web history. As you can see, the, the World Wide Web was basically invented by US Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. So it is the public packet switched computer network which is used for educational purposes by US. Next, World Wide Web System. Now the topic which you are going to learn is that only. It was actually introduced in 1990. Very old. First web page was created by Tim Berners-Lee in the 1991 August 6th. And the fourth one, Google, which we are using it for many purposes now. It was first originated in the 1998 as a search engine. So the history of web clearly shows you how the development of the web is available. Like from the ARPANET at 1960s to the accelerated mobile pages at 2016. During 1960s period, the usage of intercommunication was the very big technology. It is the first era where the people started to communicate with the people all around the world. From then to the accelerated mobile pages in 2016, where the people were able to use the net in the very small chunk called smartphone. Through the touch screen, they are able to view the mobile pages. An entire website can be compressed into a very small size in such a way the loading of the web page will be very smooth and shrink. That's how the history of web proves that the web improves itself a lot to be near to the people. Okay, now what are the most important uses of websites? We all discovered that there is a web around the world through which we are communicating. Now, what is a website first? A website is a unit of a web. Like a web is a collection of websites, and what is a website? It is a collection of web pages again. So the website play a vital role in providing the communication to the people. Now, what are the most important uses of a website? Information sharing, online presence, communication and interaction, e-commerce, and marketing and advertisement. Now, we all are aware of the websites like Facebook, YouTube, Wikipedia. These all are different types of websites, but every website will be used to share a piece of content. It might be a photo, it might be a video, or it might be a textual fact. Whatever it is, a website's main purpose is to share and communicate a piece of information to the people at global level. Now, let us try to deep dive into the types of websites that are available all around the world. Actually, there are many more important types of websites. Out of them, I picked out the top 6 types of websites that are concurrently going in the world. Now, Type 1, e-commerce. Everyone is going to order anything from everywhere. Like we are ordering the mobiles, we are getting the items, even we are getting the food delivery app, right? So these all will come under the e-commerce. Examples for these e-commerce websites are Amazon, eBay, Shopify, and Amazon. Now, social networking. It is the most important place in the web where the people will chat, share, like, comment, and everything they will be doing. So the examples for the social networking sites are Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and much more. Next, e-news. It is a website which can be called as a portable news station from which you can get the daily news updates about a trending topic. So CNN, BBC, New York Times, even there are many news platforms all over the world which can provide the content in many languages, many popular languages that are around the world. Fourth one. Okay. How many of you want to learn something new? You can learn by using e-learning websites or online learning portals like Coursera, Khan Academy, and Canvas. You can learn the concepts that are delivered to you through the online mode. Fifth one, entertainment. It's very simple. It's a no introductory topic because entertainment is a topic which you already know. It is a place where you can listen or you can watch your favorite shows, your favorite movies, anything. So the main purpose of the entertainment is to deliver entertainment to you and to get the cash. So you all are aware of the many services like AHA, Prime Video, Netflix, Hulu. So these all work on this principle only. These are also a type of website that will deliver you only the content like this. And the sixth but not least, blogging. It is the most income generating website. It is a website that generates the income to many of the people. It's just nothing, just writing something about what do you feel, what do you see, what do you listen, or where do you go. There are many places, there are many food items for which they may write the blogs. They may write the blogs for their own purposes. There are writers, eaters, and all. So these are the six important types of websites. Now, well done. So the next topic is role of letter E. Okay. So I'll explain it in a very simple way. We have 26 letters in English language, from A to Z. Now, what does the letter E mean? Why we are learning about only letter E? Because the letter E stands for electronic, emphasizing or digital nature of web. Like in a very simple words, if you want, if you are paying something, you will call it as payment in English. If you add an E before payment, it will be e-payment, means you are doing the payment using the electronic means. So here, like commerce, we have discussed in the earlier slide that commerce, it can be combined as e-commerce. Learning, e-learning. Pay, e-pay. So in such a way, the letter E plays a vital role in promoting the digital realm of the techniques. So now let us deep dive into, wait, I have a doubt. We learned that website is the basic part of the web. The web is a collection of web pages. Now, how to create a website? Let us try to know. In order to create a website, you need to know three important concepts: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is a markup language which gives the structure to your web pages. Its main functionality is to create an exoskeleton for your web page. It's like a skeleton. It will create the basic structure. What are the elements to be added to a page? What are the things and media to be added to a page will be decided by the HTML. Now, the block 2. CSS. Cascading style sheet is a styling tool used to improve the visual experience of a user of the web page. Like imagine I am browsing through many of the websites. I want my website to be made in a very beautiful design. So CSS can give that design to the web page, which makes my website look much attractive. And next, JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language that provides functionality and interactivity to it, which makes my website much functional than the other just plain websites. Now, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a stand-up language used to create the web pages. The main purpose of HTML is to create a structure, to promote the links, and to add the forms elements to the web page. So what are the four main purposes of HTML? Just have a look. As you can see in this slide, the four main uses of HTML are content markup, which I have discussed earlier. Means in order to add the content of web pages, we will use this HTML. Now, HTML is also used to provide the navigation to the web pages using the anchor attribute and the linking strategies. Next, form handling. Sometimes we need the input from the user, and to get that input, HTML enables form controls. So through the forms, a user can provide his feedback or give some suggestions to the developer or the author of the web page so that the web page will be interactive to the user. Now, the fourth one, the semantic markup. This is used to provide the structure for a content. You have much content to be posted in your web page, and the content is to be structured on the basis of the topic. So these are the four main uses of HTML. Okay then, so now I would like to show you how to create a HTML. So let us have a look, guys. So have a look, guys. So we are going to create our own HTML document. So I'm going to use a pre-installed app along with your OS called Notepad. So open the Notepad, write the code. After writing the code, save the file. Save the file as HTML file so that you can retrieve it. So boomba, we created our website. Now let us try to explore our website by clicking it. So I'm going to run my website. So see, as you can see, in order to create or to run the website, we need not to install much software, as I have explained you before. So through this session, we can clearly understand the importance of HTML in building the web applications.